Hello everyone. Today is part 2 of this full shower build. We are going to be tiling with 12 by 24 ceramics, a couple pieces of large format tile, 2 niches, and a bunch of other things. Alright, let's get started. Cutting these large format tiles is always a little bit tricky, but they are really awesome in order to be able to wrap things like benches, trying to do special features because they allow you to be able to custom fit really larger spaces where you don't want to have a lot of grout lines. All mosaics are especially challenging to work with because it's so easy to interrupt the pattern and to make it so that the pieces don't quite fit. But starting in the right place, like for example at the center drain, it really helps to try to keep things even. Couple quick things to mention. I will be using 1/16 inch leveling clips. It really helps to try to keep things in plane, and especially when you're using foam board like the Schluter board that you see here, which is the orange stuff, that does have some give, so the leveling clips help to keep me in plane regardless of how bendable the back wall is. The leveling clips are also a really great tool when you're working on a ceiling. The tiles won't move and they won't fall, but the leveling clips do help to keep things in place. This is a great little trick I started to do a couple years ago. The niche is about 28 inches by about 11 inches. What I'm going to do is I am cutting a sheet of Schluter Curdy membrane, and I am going to put the mosaic beforehand and let it dry overnight. Then I am going to cut it to the perfect size and put it on the back of the niche wall. That way the whole thing acts as if it was one complete sheet, and there's no issue whatsoever with it compressing at the bottom and other common issues with mosaics. All that's left is to add some mortar to the back of the wall, and I can stick the sheet right on there. I also made sure that the niche fits exactly between 2 tiles to prevent unsightly small cuts and things like that. This second niche was a little bit trickier. I couldn't exactly fit it between tiles, but it ended up looking great considering that there was electrical on the left side there, and on the right side we have 2 pocket doors, so there wasn't much choice in where to put it, but it turned out great regardless. All of my shower builds have ultra high performance sealed grouts This kind of sealed grout is much easier to clean, it prevents mold, and has a bunch of other benefits that are going to help the homeowner maintain a clean shower for decades to come. There you have it, another beautiful shower enclosure build with one long horizontal niche as well as a small pocket niche and a shower bench. Alright, if you like videos like this, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.